Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara. If you are new here, hello. If you are not new here, thank you guys for being a part of the community. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys this Net 30 account that you can go ahead and apply for in order for you to go ahead and begin building your business credit within the next 30 to 90 days. With this account, you would not have to have any personal information. They will not check your personal credit score, and nothing pertaining to your personal financing will be considered with this account. So without further ado, we're going to just go ahead and jump right into this video. All right, you guys. So the company we're going to discuss today is called eCredible. So the way eCredible works is you're going to link an unlimited amount of eligible business accounts. They're going to report to multiple credit bureaus for your business, and it's going to impact your business credit score in as little as a week. So if you guys are already familiar with how rent reporters work for your personal credit, eCredible is going to be the same thing, but it's specifically going to be for your business credit scores. So what eCredible is going to do is whatever bills that you have and you're paying them on time each month in your business name, they're going to report those payments to the business credit bureaus in order to help you build a business credit score. So we're going to take a look at the website and we're going to see exactly how much it costs. We're going to see what you guys may need to get started, and we're going to see exactly what utilities and what bills you guys can use in order for you to begin building your business credit. So the credit bureaus that eCredible reports to for your business is going to be Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, Credit Safe, and Experian. Now, if you are not familiar with how business credit works, you're going to have your Dun & Bradstreet, which you can go ahead and apply for that number specifically on the Dun & Bradstreet website, and that is free. If you guys have not already done so, before you begin to apply for eCredible, make sure you go ahead and get that number. And I also have the link where you can get the video to show you how to get that, and that's going to be free to you. So with building your business credit, there's going to be Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian for your business credit bureaus. And with Dun & Bradstreet and Experian, eCredible subscription is what's going to be accepted to go onto your business credit report. And with Equifax, they're going to also be able to go onto your credit reports from the business accounts that you already have, as long as those accounts are already in your business name. So if you have different accounts within your business name, Equifax will allow eCredible to report those accounts in order to begin building your credit score with Equifax. So with eCredible, it connects to 2,000 utility companies and service providers. You will link an unlimited number of accounts from the following eligible account types. You have your power, water, gas, mobile phone, cable, TV, satellite TV, internet, and your landline phone. eCredible can securely download your account information and up to 24 months payments directly from your online account. If you guys already have a brick and mortar and you're paying for any of those kind of services, if it's not already reporting, depending on which one of these services you guys have, you can go ahead and begin using eCredible, and they will backtrack up to 24 months in order to make sure that you can get a business credit score. So if you know that you have a brick and mortar and you pay water and you pay rent and all of these things, you can go ahead and get this backtrack so that you can get a credit score within as little as 30 days. Now, if you do not have a brick and mortar, another thing that you can do is put your mobile phone in your business name. If you guys have not already done so, make sure you get your mobile phone for your business in your business name. So one of the places that I always recommend others to get a business phone is with Verizon. You have Verizon, you have AT&T. Most of every service that you already use for your actual phone, they will have a business line as well. So for me, I'm linked to Verizon in my business name. So the way you're going to do that is, if you don't have a brick and mortar, you want to try to go ahead and get your number switched over into a business account so that you can also begin building business credit for it. So with my provider, I'm with Verizon currently in my business name, but Verizon does not report to my business credit in order for me to get that credit score for my business. So a way you can go ahead and get business credit with paying for that service as well is by using eCredible, so that they can report that payment that you're already paying for that actual service each month on your phone bill. So as you guys can see here, is considered the business lift subscription, and the easiest way to add the positive information to your DNB, Experian, Equifax, Credit Safe, and Insonia business credit reports. Your monthly eCredible business lift subscription may help you raise your business credit score. So not only will you be able to get your accounts reported, but they will also report as a business subscription using eCredible. So the pricing for the eCredible subscription is going to be a $49.95 setup fee, and then it's going to cost you $9.95 per month in order for them to continue to report. So once you go ahead and you pay that setup fee, that's only a one-time payment. Then each month you're going to pay that $10, and each month that you begin to pay that $10, they will continue to report your business credit scores and every vendor that you connect directly to their website. So once you go ahead and set this subscription up, you will then link your accounts that you are already paying within your business name. So whatever it is that you have in your business name, you want to go ahead and you want to link that specifically to eCredible. So the more accounts that you have linked, the better off your business credit score will be, because that'll help you build those net 30 accounts so that you can go from tier 1 to tier 2 in order for you to build a higher credit score. In order for eCredible to be able to access the payment history of the accounts that you already have within your business name, you have to be able to automatically log in on their website so that they can pull that. But if you're not able to log into whatever vendors or whatever companies you have where you're paying a monthly fee for something, then you can also do the on-demand account verification. So with the on-demand account verification, it is going to cost you $24.95 in order for them to report and to be able to pull your records from these companies. And you can also give eCredible access by allowing them to call these different companies in order for you to give them that information. So the different accounts that you may have to get that on-demand account verification is going to be your business utility accounts you're unable to link, the vendors, suppliers, office rent, virtual office, business insurance, business services, business credit cards, and loans that are not already being reported to your business credit reports, your equipment, your office furniture leases, and legal services. So you guys, even if you have a virtual office address for your business and you're paying that monthly, you can still use eCredible in order for them to report that monthly payment that you are making to your business credit reports so that you can begin generating a business credit score. So no matter what it is that your business does, if you have that phone bill, or if you already have a virtual office space, or if you have things in your business name that are not reporting, make sure you check out eCredible, because you want to go ahead and get that payment history, because they will backtrack up to 24 months. With them getting that payment history, this is going to allow you to go ahead and generate a business credit score within 30 days. And this is things that you are already paying for. So if you are already paying to have these accounts and it's not reporting, this is a plus, because this means that you won't have to pay out additional fees, or you won't have to get other net 30 accounts in order for you to get from tier 1 to tier 2 within your business credit reports. All right, you guys. So if you want to search on eCredible to see specifically what utilities may pull up before you actually purchase the subscription with eCredible, what you can do is go on the resources and you're going to go to the utility search. And when you go to the utility search, it's going to bring you to this page. And once you are on this page, it's going to allow you to put in the specific name, your state, and what it is that you are searching for. So you will get to see exactly what companies are reporting in your area specifically based on your state and based on the company itself. So that's going to bring us to the end of this video. If you guys found this video to be helpful, make sure you let me know down in the comments if you guys have any questions on how to use eCredible to build your business credit score. Make sure you also let me know down in the comments so that I can assist you with getting your business credit score started. I am Tiara Pace, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.